Here's something weird. In Dubai, 18 degrees feels cool. But in New Zealand, 18 degrees can feel freezing inside your house. And no, it's not just in your head. There are real engineering reasons why the same temperature feels completely different. A lot of people assume it's because New Zealand is colder. But the real reason isn't just the outdoor temperature. It's insulation, airflow, humidity, and how houses are built. So let's break it down in a simple way. First, temperature is only one part of comfort. What your body actually feels depends on how fast you lose heat. If your body loses heat quickly, you feel cold, even if the thermometer says 18 degrees. And in many New Zealand homes, heat escapes much faster than people expect. The biggest reason is insulation. In Dubai and the UAE, buildings are designed to keep heat out. They usually have thicker walls, sealed windows, and air conditioning running constantly. So the indoor environment stays stable. But in New Zealand, especially in older houses, insulation wasn't always built to the same standard. So in winter, heat escapes easily. It escapes through the roof, through the walls, and even through the floor. And once heat escapes, your heater has to work harder just to keep one room warm. The next reason is drafts. New Zealand is a windy country, and when cold air leaks into your home through gaps in doors and windows, it constantly replaces the warm air inside. Even if your heater is running, the house never feels properly warm. Then there's moisture. In winter, many New Zealand homes get damp inside. That moisture comes from cooking, showers, breathing, and drying clothes indoors. If ventilation isn't strong enough, it builds up, and damp air makes cold feel worse. It also makes walls and floors feel colder to the touch. That's why people notice condensation on windows so often. Finally, there's the heating style. In the UAE, air conditioning is usually designed as a full system. In New Zealand, heating is often local. For example, one heat pump in the living room. So the lounge might feel okay, but the bedrooms, hallway, and bathroom can feel freezing. So the reason New Zealand houses feel colder isn't because New Zealand is extremely cold. It's because many homes lose heat fast. Heat loss happens through poor insulation, draft, damp indoor air, and uneven heating. So the same temperature number can feel totally different depending on the building design. If you enjoyed this kind of simple explanation, subscribe to We Got Facts. I'll be posting more videos about engineering, technology, and real-world systems, explained in a way that's easy and actually interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.